I'm trying to get my recording to work, but my fucking Gamecaster, Jesus Christ, I hate you so much.
I just hit F2 and everything's fine. By the way, we're
Mine doesn't do that. I have to control tab, and then I have to, like, hit the record button. The thing is, control tab, like, it doesn't let me do because the
Oh, well.
That
was a SpongeBob laugh.
That was...
He grabbed his neck.
SpongeBob doesn't have a neck.
Are you calling me fat?
Can I hit her? I don't
It's
know.
her fucking shield.
My game is so laggy.
She keeps getting out of any dive attempts with her shield. That's
no, I'm also really laggy right now. I don't know why. Like, I have like 60 frames a second, but then it just like drops. Like, oh my God, Logan, no.
Your graphic settings can influence that as well.
Oh no! I almost hit her. She fucking jumped. I was gonna kill her. God fucking damn it. I hate everything with a passion right now. You fucking Thomas. Die, Annie.
I just want to... Fuck.
No, no, jump to it! Mine! Shit. Kill him!
Wait a minute. Something didn't go right there.
Oh, I hit Annie. Oh, Annie! Oh, Annie! No, I missed! No! I missed that shit.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, God.
She's terrible.
I need to save this mana. Oh, shit. Nice. Yo. Go, Remus. Okay, let's see. Is she in the bush?
Nope. Nobody's in the bush.
Fucking little face! God damn it, Riven, why you gotta be in the bush? It's so painful, we can't hit her.
It's not even body blocking for me, it's the fact that I narrowly miss.
Body block. Oh, fuck!
Thomas, god damn it.
Where was my team on that one?
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Oh my God.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you.
They knocked me out of my fucking thing.
Yep.
Oh, double kill.
E.
No!
Ow. You're dead.
No, I'm not. Oh, got it first.
That's a fucking minion blast! Jesus Christ.
I have almost 800 AP right now. Oh, come on, get her. Get her, dude.
You're fucking mine! Oh.
Just have the bear walking
fucking bitch.
Are they gonna actually win this game, guys? Like, seriously?
Probably.
No.
Or, okay.
How?
And if I can help it, oh, well, okay.
Oh, well. How the fuck? That was such bullshit.
I want to make like...
Damn it.